Hello again and welcome to the Rare Show. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a little remote control car for a Lego minifigure. That's minifigure scale. First we're going to start off with the controller. What you do is you're going to get a 1x2 with a click hinge piece. Dual click hinge. You are going to get a little antenna. You're going to place it on either side of the 1x2, just like that. You are next going to get a red transparent stud and place it right there. So there's your controller. Next, onto the car. What you're going to do is you're going to get a 2x4 plate, and you're going to get a 1x2 transparent plate. Place it right there. You're going to get a 1x2 flat, place it on top of the 1x2 transparent brick. Next, you're going to get another antenna, and you're going to place it on the back of it like that. You're next going to need a 1x1 cheese wedge blue. You're going to place it right next to the antenna, just like that. You're next going to get 2 transparent cheese wedges. You're going to place them in the front like this. Next, you're going to get 4 black studs. You're going to place them on each side of the car. And there you go. This is your Lego car. Another creation from the Rare Show. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, fave, and rate. And I will see you guys soon. Peace out.